Hi, boys and girls. I hope you had an awesome weekend. What we're going to look at right now is week 4 for science, all the activities. When you log on, you might see a little bit of a difference with science this week. So I kind of want to make sure you see how I do things and that you understand. So please make sure you follow this video. Please make sure you're on science. Make sure you're on class pages. Once you're over here, click on grade 3 science. It's going to pop up all the weeks, and like I said, we're on week 4. Scroll down. I'm going to click week 4. Once I click week 4, I'm going to scroll back up. You're going to, nope, it didn't work. Let me try again. Okay, so it's going to have week 4 assignments. Normally, you have your link, which is right here, which is great. But I kind of added something for you to make your life easier. Whenever we are in science, there's always a bunch of attachments, and we're always like, oh, which ones do we do first? Which ones do we do first? I kind of made it easier for you because if you see week 4, if you click on it, but don't click on it yet. If you scroll over, you're going to see 3 dots. If you click on those 3 dots, it's going to open it up and it's going to tell you exactly what to do. So I wrote that Monday, which is today, you're going to read Dino News and answer the 10 questions. So that means you're going to be doing this one today. Tomorrow for Tuesday, you're going to read the Living Things study guide and do the worksheet. So that's these 2, Living Things and then do the worksheet. Then on Wednesday, you're going to do mistletoe and then do the 10 questions. On Thursday, you're going to do the investigation, which is right here. And on Friday, you have no assignments. So you only have 4 assignments this week. So let's get to it. Let's do Monday, which is read Dino News. So Dino News is right here. Let it pop up on the bottom. Click on it. And I'm going to, as always, read the story to you. So this is all about how dinosaurs and birds are somehow connected. So Dino News. To the left, you see a Tyrannosaurus Rex, and on the right, you see a chicken. The dinosaur-bird connection. Scientists learn more about T-Rex's relatives. What do Tyrannosaurus Rex and the chicken have in common? A team of scientists say the 2 animals are related. Recently, the scientists studied a T-Rex bone that shows proof of that. Proof is anything that can be used to show that something is true. The T-Rex bone was part of a dinosaur's leg. It is 68 million years old. Scientists found it in Montana in 2003. They cut into the bone and were surprised to find protein inside. Protein is a living material that makes up muscle. It is also found inside a bone. Lewis Cantley is a scientist on our research team. We were very excited, he says. No one thought that protein could survive that long. Scientists used a special machine to study the protein. They compared it to the proteins in other animals. Chickens were the closest relatives. Interesting. Finding more proof up here. Many scientists have long thought that dinosaurs and birds were related. The discovery was more proof. Previous proof was based on the way the bones looked. This proof is based on protein, says Cantley. It better supports our beliefs that chickens came from dinosaurs. Next, are they alike? Imagine that T-Rex and the chicken were the same size. Would they look related? How are they alike? How are they different? So now let's compare a chicken to a T-Rex. So on this side is all some descriptions about a chicken, and here's the T-Rex. So the height is how tall something is. So the chicken was about 13 inches. However, a T-Rex is about 18 feet, not inches, feet, which is about 17 chickens put together on top of each other. So obviously T-Rexes are huge, and we know that chickens are tiny. How long they are, the length, they're 13 inches, but a T-Rex is 40 feet, which is about 37 chickens across each other, going this way, 37 chickens lined up in a nice row. So the weight of a chicken is normally 5 to 11 pounds, which isn't very, very heavy at all. It's the size of a newborn baby, right? And a T-Rex is 10,000 to 14,000 pounds, which is about 1,500 chickens. So they are really, really, really different, aren't they? It's crazy to think that dinosaurs are related to chickens when they're completely different. So that was a short article, and you're going to answer the questions. What did scientists find inside the T-Rex bone? What did they find? Chicken DNA, disease, protein, or water? Easy one. The author provides a list of what? What did I just read? A list of types of dinosaurs, the measurements of chickens and T-Rexes, the types of chickens, or the relatives of dinosaurs. Number 3. Scientists did not expect to discover protein. What evidence from the text, from the story, supports this conclusion? You remember how they said they didn't expect to find protein? They expected to find something else or whatever? What evidence from the story supports this claim? All you have to do is go back up to the part where they say scientists did not expect to discover protein and find what they said to support that. Number 4, how did the scientists' discovery affect their ideas about dinosaurs and chicken? Circle your right answer. Number 5, what is the main idea of this passage? What is this whole thing mainly about? What's the lesson of it? Then you're going to read these sentences from the story, and then you're going to tell me what the word previous means. So use the context clues to figure out what previous meant, and previous is right here. So you read the sentences and tell me what previous means. Number 7, just like all our other layouts, we have a blank and we have to fill it in with the correct linking word. So scientists were surprised to find protein, blank, because, and tell me what that word's supposed to be. Number 8 is easy. It says, what is proof? In a full complete sentence, you would say proof is, and if you go to the top of your story, proof was highlighted in black, very bold letters right here, proof. And it tells you what proof is. So that's a very simple answer. Then it says, number 9, how is protein discovered in the T-Rex bone proof that dinosaurs are related to chickens? So protein discovered in T-Rex's bones are proof that dinosaurs are related to chickens because blah, 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 blah. And you can find your answer above. Now it says, without proof, why might it be difficult for someone to believe that chickens and T-Rex aren't related? So let's pretend there was no proof at all. And all you know is a picture of a chicken and a picture of a T-Rex. Why might someone like you, who didn't know this before, might not people believe that chickens and T-Rex are connected or are related? Is it because people will think, wow, well, a chicken is very tiny and a T-Rex is huge. That means they can't be related. All right, so tell me why people would find it really hard to believe that chickens and T-Rex are related. And then you could support your answer with the text by going up to this part. This right here proves how people wouldn't believe it, because look how different they are. And you could say, I know this answer because when I was looking at the chicken and T-Rex chart, it tells me that a chicken is 13 inches, whereas a T-Rex is 18 feet. So at least using that table, you can provide evidence for me. So that's your assignment for Monday. Very simple. Make sure you submit it to PowerSchool, or you could write your answers in your notebook and take a picture for me. Whatever you can, please do that.